My best friend's birthday is in a few days and I don't have a gift. I'm such a last minute person. Oh wait, and Mother's Day is coming up. It's not that I don't think of people. It's just that I'm so busy I can't think of so far in advance. I barely know what I'm doing today, let alone in a few weeks. But today I will show you what I do in these situations and how I turn one unique product into 3 beautiful gift ideas that you can make under 10 minutes using Transfer Me sheets by Dress My Craft. For my first project, I'm applying the transfers on fabric by creating an apron. If you've seen my other videos with these transfers, you know how easy they are to use. I took one that reminds me of a French restaurant and fussy cut around the edges. Then to transfer it, you need to remove the acetate sheet and place it face down on the fabric. Then I sprayed some water all around the back of the transfer and dabbed it with a sponge. You will feel the transfer release itself from the back sheet. It easily peels off. I let the transfer and fabric dry and then I sealed it with a matte gel medium. You want to make sure it's matte so you don't see the glossy marks. I will be showing you some more images I added to this apron, but first let me show you my second gift idea. I bought some white ceramic dishes at the dollar store and used the transfers as decor. I used this coffee-themed sheet. I cut around some of the images and phrases, and following the same procedure, I removed the acetate from the transfer and lay it face down on my plate. Remember, you're working with the mirror image and you need to place it face down. I sprayed the image with some water and dabbed it with the sponge until it released. This would make an amazing teacher's gift or for anyone who loves coffee. It can be even used as a serving dish or to hold coffee pods. The 2 heart plates go well together, and for the mug, I just transferred one of the phrases. Then I used 2 more coffee images and transferred them onto my next gift idea, which is coasters. I embellished these wooden slices that I already had at home, but you can buy coaster board or even square circles or wooden slices and transfer images onto them for a beautiful coaster set. It would make a beautiful gift. I even had some leftover from the coffee sheet to add a couple more images to the apron, along with a butterfly and a fork and knife image from some leftover transfer sheets. And of course, you didn't think there would be just 3 projects, as we need a way to give all these gifts to someone by decorating a paper bag. You can transfer the image directly onto the bag, or if you want to take it a step further, add a little mixed media touch like I did here with this bag. I took some white gesso and using my brayer, rolled it onto the bag. Once the gesso dried, I took a transfer design, removed the acetate and placed it face down onto the white background. Then I sprayed some water again and carefully pounced on the back. Make sure you spray only above the transfer so the paper bag doesn't get wet. Once the transfer was dry, I took my XO foam stamp and using some pink ink added some more texture to the background. There's so many easy to make gift ideas we can create with these transfer sheets, such as cards, boxes, or even a canvas. Actually, I have a video right here with a guided step-by-step tutorial to show you how easily it is to create a unique canvas art
using only 4 supplies.